how to download YouTube Kids application on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download YouTube Kids application on your iPhone. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your App Store and just click on search, and once you are here just type in the YouTube Kids just like this, and once you search in for YouTube Kids it will probably appear around here, and just make sure you have selected the right one. And as you can see, it's the YouTube Kids. So what you can do is simply click on get button over here and wait for some time for the confirmation, and do as the screen says and wait for some time for your more iPhone to authorize your access to install this application on your device. So depending upon your Wi-Fi speed, internet speed, it will be downloaded within few seconds or minutes. So once it successfully gets downloaded, you can simply open it and use your YouTube Kids official application just like that. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.